Hey, it's Rachel with WTI. If you're looking for a natural deodorant that actually works, I would recommend trying out Humble. This is a really nice company. I like that they use very simple products. You'll notice there it says simple ingredients, truly clean. There's nothing bad in their products, and I completely agree with them. There's just a very small list. There is simple things in here like baking soda, cornstarch, and also, of course, the wonderful scents. This one is lemongrass and sage. It has a very nice lemongrass smell, so it's gonna leave you feeling fresh and clean. It's a scent the whole family can use. I like to use it, my husband likes to use it. So I live in a hot, humid environment. I'll put this on in the morning and it will work all day. My husband agrees as well. It works for him too. So this deodorant, it works just like any other deodorant. When you need to use a little more, you just give it a little turn and it goes on nicely. You'll notice here, just a few swipes. You might see there's a little bit extra deposited on my skin, and all you need to do is just rub it in. I like that it doesn't transfer onto my clothes, it doesn't stain my clothes, and it doesn't irritate my skin either. If you're nervous to try a natural deodorant or maybe just a different natural deodorant, I would recommend Humble. I think it's a great brand, it actually works, and this scent is great. Super clean smelling lemongrass sage. I love it, and that's my point of view.